If you were building an HTML site, at the top of every HTML file there would be a few things that you'd need to add. You'd need to declare a doc type, add the opening HTML tag, load any style sheets or JavaScript, and set a title tag. For a static HTML site, this might look like this. In WordPress, we handle some of this differently. WordPress can do a number of things dynamically, like altering the title tag based on the pages being displayed, or defining the language or character set based on the settings being used in WordPress. WordPress will also load some other generic scripts and links for RSS, pingbacks, and comments. A basic WordPress header might look like this. The header.php file is what you would use to take care of all the stuff that exists in the head section of the code. In addition to that, the header.php file in a WordPress theme will often include any markup that goes to the top of all of your pages. For example, a site or blog header, top navigation, etc. So an actual header.php will have a lot more than that. Let's look at an example from Museum Core. Museum Core starts off with the Theme Hook Alliance HTML before tag. After opening the HTML tag, which uses the language attributes that have been defined in the wp-config file, we start with the head tag, and again, there's a THA template tag for the top of the head element. Inside the head tag, we have some meta tags and the title tag, and I also call in the theme options for various settings that will deal with things like the navbar and the display of the site title. The head tag closes after running a THA hook for the bottom of the header, and the WP head function, which is used to run any additional functions that are using the WP head hook. Then the body tag opens. Right after the body tag opens, I have a THA hook for the top of the body tag. This is the hook I would use for my notifications plugin. And then I open a container div which wraps around all the content. Before opening the header tag, I have another Theme Hook Alliance hook for the before the header, and a header top THA hook right after it opens. Then we deal with the navbar stuff, custom header support, a second navbar for under the header image, and we finish out the THA header hooks with a header bottom and header after right after the header tag closes. At the bottom of the header.php file, I open a new div with the class row, which is used by Bootstrap. You'll notice that I'm not loading any style sheets or JavaScript in my head. This is because they are going to be run in the functions.php and hooked into the WP head function. I'll go over this in more detail when I talk about the functions file. We'll be coming back to the header later when we start building our own theme. Let's jump to the footer.